Okay, hello everyone. I'm robotic engineer from SZGH. And today, let me introduce you our product about the robot H1500. And this is our welding robot for welding. And this one is the welding gun. And this one is the 6X robot. And this one is our teach pendant, and this one is the cabinet of the robot, and go here. And this one is the welding machine, brand of the OTC. And when you want to move this robot, you need to open this switch in the cabinet right here. Switch this, and it will go to electric, and shown in the dish printer. Okay, it will open soon.